If you're thinking about buying a home in a rural area, a USDA mortgage may be the right choice for you. A USDA mortgage is a home loan that's backed by the United States Department of Agriculture, a federal agency. It exists to help build communities in rural areas. You can access a complete list of eligible areas by talking to a housing professional. Let's look at some of the benefits of a USDA loan. First, they have no loan limits, so you can borrow as much as you need. Second, there is no down payment required. Third, the flexible requirements of a USDA loan is great for borrowers who have less than perfect credit. USDA loans are ideal for first-time home buyers, buyers looking for a home in rural America, and buyers who may not have enough for a down payment. Are you ready to talk about buying a home with a USDA loan? With branches across the country and over 30 years of mortgage experience, Homebridge can help. Contact Homebridge today to learn how a USDA loan can turn your homeownership dreams into a reality.